Hello, my name is Dawson Church. I'm the author of the best-selling science book, Mind to Matter, the astonishing science of how your brain creates material reality. Now, if you told me when I was 25 years old that my brain, my thoughts, my mind literally create the world around me, I would have said no way. I'm sick. I'm not a very healthy person. I want health. I'm broke. I have no money. I want money. How on earth can my mind and brain be creating these things? Because what I see around me is the opposite of what I want when it comes to love and career and spirituality and money and wealth and prosperity and all these things. I'm not seeing what I want in my mind. I am seeing the opposite of that all around me. What I've discovered over the years, though, is that we have all kinds of scripts in our minds, scripts in our psyches that hold us back from claiming the fullness of our potential. And once you deal with those scripts, once you release those old stories, those stories you've got from your family, your tribe, your background, your education, your upbringing, once you let go of all of those, then you can claim the prosperity, the wealth, the love, the happiness to which you are entitled. One great story about this comes from my friend Phil Town. Phil is the best-selling author of the book Rule One. He's a famous hedge fund manager, and on several surveys has shown up as being one of the top 10 hedge fund managers in the US. But Phil wasn't always the Phil Town that people know today, this wildly successful hedge fund manager. Phil Town served as a Green Beret in the Vietnam War, and he got back in 1970 with severe PTSD. He actually went and hid for a decade as a river guide on the Colorado River, taking people up and down the Grand Canyon as a guide. And he couldn't deal with people. He had no money. He lived out of a backpack. And then, just by a series of coincidences, he discovered the possibility of learning about how to make money. Now, once he learned that, he still had no money. And it took him a year to scrape together $1,000. But he made this vow to himself. He said, in 5 years, I will turn this $1,000 into $1 million. And he did. He did it through intention. He did it through belief. He did it through mindset. And I teach this workshop called Tapping Money Miracles, where we help you find all of those obstacles, all of those old beliefs and stories that hold you back from the prosperity that you deserve. You find those things and you release them. You let them go, and they make an enormous difference in your life. I have another story in my book, Mind to Matter, about two men who both had this vision of $1 million and how they, just by shifting their thinking, shifted their lives in that direction really quickly. So I invite you to take a deep dive with me at the Tapping Money Miracles workshop. Find your subconscious scripts that are holding you back, and then let those go and be the prosperous, abundant person you were destined to be. Go ahead and click there and join me for the Tapping Money Miracles workshop. Thank you.